I'm not sure if it's quite fits, but the principal change, and I'll focus on graduate students in particular, since they're the ones most actively involved in the research and endeavor. The principal change that we encourage and like to see develop in the graduate students is the change from them seeing themselves as someone learning something and doing a job for somebody else given their instructions, to someone who is in charge of the research endeavor and explains what should be done, and then takes responsibility and knows why they're doing what they're doing and what works and what doesn't. Goes from being a receiver to a giver, basically. That's a change in their environment. I think it's in terms of their relationship with the rest of the scientific community. That change is critical. And one of the kind of jokes I've started to tell is when the graduate students come in and start telling you what they should do, then it's time for them to get their PhD. It's true in a way, as soon as that cognizance of what the problems are and what they need to be working on has grown to that point, they're ready. It's time for them to move on and lead their own research activities. And so I don't know, you might have been thinking more of the physical environment, how do they interact with environmental questions or their surroundings, and honestly, I guess I just don't see enough of that to know. That's entirely possible, but I don't hang out with my students a lot. We do some things together, but not a lot, so I couldn't tell you for sure. That might be the case, but it's not something that I've been able to observe.